Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about upgrading your laptop or desktop to become Wi-Fi 6 capable. And why do we need to do that? Okay, chances are if you recently purchased a new Wi-Fi router or if you are looking for a new Wi-Fi router, you will see a lot of Wi-Fi 6 routers. It might be called Wi-Fi AX, Wi-Fi 802.11ax, or just simply Wi-Fi 6. And guys, if you don't know yet, Wi-Fi 6 is the newest technology with regard to Wi-Fi. And your question might be, what will be the benefits? Actually, there are many benefits. Speed, better support for multiple devices, WPA3, and other more. Guys, don't get me wrong, you can still use your old Wi-Fi 5 devices to connect to these new routers. But if you really want to fully utilize the capability of your Wi-Fi 6 routers, your device should be Wi-Fi 6 capable as well. And recently, I want to upgrade my old desktop and laptop to become Wi-Fi 6 capable so we can test the new Wi-Fi 6 routers and share it to you guys. Yes, there is an option with this. Okay, and these are the options. If you're not a technical person, it will be overwhelming to install this on your desktop or laptop. But if you really want this, there are a lot of tutorials online, or maybe bring it to a technician or purchase it on a physical store and have the technician install it for you. But it is a lot of hassle, especially this time of pandemic. But fortunately, D-Link created the first commercially available Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. And I would like to say thanks to our friends from D-Link Philippines for giving us an opportunity to test and review this device. Okay, let's try to unbox this thing. Inside the box, there is the unit itself, and it comes in a very shiny black piano finish with some grills for ventilation, and it also comes with a quick installation guide, which is actually useful. And a warranty and safety information is also included. And lastly, there is a USB 3.0 cradle. This is a nice addition to have if you can set it on a location on your desk to place it on an ideal area where there is less interference. Guys, we have already this unit for more than 4 days now, and we have been testing it ever since so we can give you a better feedback on this device. But now, I'll show you the installation. Okay, you just need to plug this in on the USB port of your desktop or laptop, or maybe on this USB cradle. Then, on your computer, there will be a new device or a new drive that will appear. For me, it is USB disk drive H. Open it up and you'll see Windows folder, and open it up again and you will see the setup application. Just double click it and it will run. Then click install on the new window, and then a few seconds later click finish, and on your network connection you will be able to see a new device with the name AX1850 or AX1600. Then let us try to connect to our Wi-Fi 6 router. Then, if successful, you will see a window notification that Wi-Fi just got better, and this network uses Wi-Fi 6 for better coverage and performance. But let us try to check the actual protocol that it is currently using. And as you can see, it is Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax, and the link speed is 1201 megabits per second, which is much faster than my gigabit network connection. And of course, let us try to do a speed test. We are using a converged plan 2,500 pesos, which is actually 100 Mbps. But from time to time, we are getting a speed bump of more than 100 Mbps. And right now, we are hitting that speed with this new D-Link Wi-Fi 6 adapter. And let me show you some of the clip from my CSGO, and we are getting around 50 or less for latency on this game, which is actually ideal because less than 70 is actually good for gaming. And guys, for my feedback and recommendation, honestly, this is a great unit. It is really an innovation it is really easy to install, configure, especially for people who are not that technical or afraid to physically open up their desktop or laptop and install a Wi-Fi card. And for desktop, in like the ITX motherboard, which only have one PCIe slot, I would rather use that slot for graphics card rather than a wireless PCIe adapter. And for performance, it works great. For the time I have been using it for more than 4 days, no drop connection, smooth web surfing, smooth playback on Netflix and YouTube, even on online games such as CSGO. I never had an issue for those games. And the only thing that I think needs improvement is the size. If you're using a laptop and like to move around like from one meeting room to another place, you might accidentally bump it and lose your connection. But if you just are extra careful, it will be okay. Maybe the reason for its size is for better antenna for range or for better thermal, for it has some grills, but I'm still hoping that they will create a nano size like the WPA3 which is actually incredibly small. And you won't accidentally bump it up even on a crowded area, but if you're using it for a desktop, no issue at all. Will I recommend this? Yes, definitely. Especially for if you already have your Wi-Fi 6 router and you have a lot of devices connecting to your Wi-Fi, better upgrade your devices as well, like your desktop or laptop. And guys, I think that's all. And guys, this is actually a great unit. I was hoping this was really sooner, so I'll be able to test the other Wi-Fi 6 routers that we have before instead of buying this and buying this for testing. This is actually, I can install these things, but this is much easier to install. Okay, and I think that will be all, guys. And if you have comment and suggestion, comment down below or message me at FB page JK Chavez, or maybe hit that subscribe button and like button as well if you like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Thank you, Link Philippines. Bye. Stay safe.